Light. We all depend on it. It's essential to our existence. Electric lighting needs fittings, tubes and bulbs. It also needs the skill to design and manufacture a system to the customer's specification. A major international force in providing total lighting solutions is an important British-based company, Thorn Lighting. Founded in the 1920s, Thorn Lighting is celebrating its 60th year of sustained growth and success. Its product range runs into thousands of items, manufacturing millions of units each year. Like 500,000 fluorescent tubes every week, enough to light a small city. But Thorn Lighting doesn't only manufacture light sources. It's one of the world's largest producers of light fittings and control gear. Thorn Lighting has been responsible for many of the lighting innovations that have changed our lives. Where would we be without twin car headlamps or sodium lamps for motorways? These and many other major developments have been part of the Thorn Lighting solution since the company's birth. End users, wholesalers and specifiers have lighting projects. Thorn Lighting is in the business of providing the lighting solution. Thorn Lighting's international sales and achievements are quite staggering, with projects including the Sydney Opera House, the NatWest Tower, and the high-profile lighting for the royal wedding of the Prince and Princess of Wales in St Paul's Cathedral. Thorn Lighting has a responsibility to those customers and organisations without whom they wouldn't be the UK market leader. So it's a logical decision that the next major development from Thorn Lighting is the most important and key part of their business: to provide a total customer service. A massive £13 million investment programme is now underway. Whilst there's continual investment in research, new products and services, the customer and his customers are crucial to the continued success of the company's expansion. So what is total customer service? The customer naturally is king. And Thorn Lighting reacts to gauge his demand. Next, they must specify the desired service. Then calculate the right stock levels. Make the right product at the right time. And then position that product at the right place. Finally, deliver regularly and when needed. And so back to the customer. The Thorn Lighting team will be highly trained to work together to provide a complete service. The training budget alone is over £1 million. Thorn Lighting and its sister companies now have a sales force of over 200 people. These staff are highly trained and motivated to help customers solve their lighting problems.
My area where I have my VDUs.
Really, Ben, you should go for the GI16 louver. Man, that totally eradicates glare from the VDU screens.
Oh, then that sounds ideal.
But that's not all.
Yes.
Thorn Lighting's manufacturing policy is now radically changing to the just-in-time method of manufacture. In other words, the right products at the right time with 0 defects. At the heart of this new way of working is the constant theme of providing total customer service and product quality. Lighting products will be made as the customer wants them, price competitive and in stock when needed. But all these plans would be wasted without the most important link in the chain, the distribution system. Here, Thorn Lighting have really pulled out the stops by investing £11 million in a whole new approach to this important factor in their commitment to customers. After all, distribution means only 2 things: Will the product be in stock? And when will it arrive? Well, here's the answer. 2 highly sophisticated distribution centres, each of over 150,000 square feet, as large as Wembley Stadium. And they'll be online by the year end. Located in the hearts of the motorway systems, gives instant access to today's most effective transportation method. Normanton will cover the north, and the larger, at Romford, will service the south and international sales. These 2 super centres will replace the existing 7 regional distribution centres to provide one of Britain's most modern and efficient distribution systems. The advantages are enormous. Stock will be in the right place. There'll be better availability of products. The complete product range will be held.
Good afternoon, Danny Lopez.
And better communications will give quicker service and ensure greater ordering accuracy.
Yes?
The sales offices in the 7 key regions will effectively remain unchanged. Customers will still have their local contact. However, £1 million will be spent on direct online computer links to the distribution system. Just lifting off the lid of one of the super centres shows just how streamlined the system will be. This is state-of-the-art distribution technology. The sheer thousands of yards of racking will be enough to stretch from London to Gravesend. Here will be held the complete Thorn lighting range. Not only for Thorn Lighting's customers, but also for their sister companies like Omega and Thorn Lamps and Components. The system from here will be simple. All the forklift trucks will be equipped with onboard computers linked by radio. It'll be a totally paperless system until the dispatch line is reached. All the operator has to do is check his picking list from the screen and collate the order for rapid delivery to the customer. This building is the heart of Thorn Lighting's philosophy: to care for their customer and provide the total service. Behind the scenes is a workforce dedicated to providing the most excellent product and service, so that ordering Thorn Lighting is now a simple one-step operation. Once the order is placed, the Thorn Lighting team takes over behind the invisible wall to deliver the goods. There's no need to collect. Thorn Lighting will be there first. Thorn Lighting is now committed to getting it first time right, to provide their customers with the service they need. A sales network that's fully trained to give the best in customer service. A manufacturing system operating on the most modern principles. And a distribution network that'll be the finest in Britain. For Thorn Lighting to remain at the top, the most important person to them is their customer. Thorn Lighting is switching to getting it first time right.